Welcome everyone to another edition of Baking with Brad, brought to you by EmptyNestersFinally.com. Now it's morning time, so it's time for breakfast, and we found this new plant protein mix to make waffles, which is one of Karen's favorite things to make. So it's plant protein, it's very in honor of No Sugar 2020, of course I call it less sugar. We have a very low sugar mix. So to begin with, we just start off with 1 cup of the mix, 1 cup of water, and then they suggest oil, but since we are healthy here at EmptyNestersFinally.com, we are going to be using applesauce, low sugar applesauce at that. So I'm gonna put some of that in there, and then, like with any pancake mix, you just mix it, and then you kind of see if it looks hard or soft, and add more mix or add more water appropriately. This one, as you can see, is going to be a little more mix. I think I'm gonna need. I'm gonna keep on stirring it because there's stuff on the sides, and this will lead to a delicious waffle that we can all enjoy. Just add a little bit there. That's gonna make it. So, and now I'm gonna go over the waffle. We have preheated the waffle maker, and as always, you gotta spray the oil on there so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to start the process. Chef Brad always recommends a whisk. Before I had a spoon, but we're using a whisk now because it makes the mix a lot more better on the waffle maker. So just some friendly tips from Chef Brad. One thing we recommend when the waffles are ready, as you can see, they're just about ready. Looking good, huh? Chef Brad also recommends one thing: microwave the syrup. Heat it up, because who wants cold syrup on top of a hot waffle? So what I like to usually do is about 30 seconds on, let's say 8. And it'll be a nice warm syrup for your hot waffle. So as we're getting ready, everybody's excited. Their lines are already started out the door for these waffles. And now for the final coup de grace, we have the waffles. So presenting, courtesy of EmptyNestersFinally.com and Chef Brad, ooh, waffle. Yes, everyone's going wild, they're lining up. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching us cook breakfast this morning, and everybody have a happy day, and EmptyNestersFinally.com, go on now, and happy empty nesting, everybody.